Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing for the dollar bead box for March of 2026. If you're not familiar with it, I have a coupon code BNJewelry2 for $2 off your first box with them. I will leave a link below in the description. This dollar bead box is $19.50 a month. And then there's a dollar bead bag in here. I will show you it. It's 8 fire polish strands for $8. If you get it monthly, these are gorgeous with the box. If you just get it one time, it's $10. But how can you just get this once? So this is the March 2026. It says Welcome Spring with our March bead box, a rich romantic palette of purples and violets inspired by early blooms and twilight skies. From soft lilacs to deep amethyst tones, this month's mix is designed to spark creativity and add a touch of magic to every piece you make. So these are gorgeous. Wow. Let's see what's in here. Ooh. Oh. Okay, let's do this one first. So they always send 8 different strands every month. These are gorgeous. So there's 4 4mm strands and 4 3mm strands. So here's the 4mm. And then here's the 3mm. And I'm not really sure. So let me see. Purple iris, matte purple iris for the 3. That would be this one. Let me get these down here. Tanzanite vitriol. I'm not really sure. Gold metallic iris, crystal half copper. That would be that one. True purple, matte purple AB, purple iris, matte purple. True purple. I think. Yeah, I think that's right. Light copper amethyst. That's the copper one. Matte rainbow bronze. Or crystal copper Maria. I'm not good with these. Vitriol vintage metallic crystal volcano. Okay, I'm just going to read these off. These are 3mm strands. Look how pretty they are. They're gorgeous. So like they'll give you 8 strands and sometimes you might get some different than other ones in a box. Look at that. This is definitely light copper amethyst. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And this is the next one. I'm not really sure what these two pretty much look the same to me. One's crystal volcano, one's vitriol vintage, but they both look the same. I wonder if they made a mistake and gave me 2 of the same ones, but they're so pretty. Yeah, and then these are just, you can, I mean, 8 strands for $8. You can do a lot with these 8 strands. You can do a lot with them. So now let's see what we have in here. This box today. Oh, more goodies. Oh, really pretty. Oh, look at the little, oh, more of the stars. Love it. Let me get everything set up. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're starting out with the strands first. We have the 4mm checklist druck in opaque lilac. There's 35 pieces in this. This is really pretty. Love this month box. And next is 2mm checklist pearl, purple velvet rainbow or mystic purple, 42 pieces. It's very tiny, tiny, tiny. And next is 4mm check glass Druck. Get that over. In pale amethyst, and there's 50 pieces here. We have these. And then next we have 3x5mm check glass gem cut rondelles and purple heather. Wait, I'm sorry. I'm a jump to 4mm check glass bicones in alabaster purple violet or crystal rose gold luster. 25 pieces. That's what these are. I was looking, I'm like, what? These aren't rondelle beads. These are really pretty. Okay, and next are the 3x5mm check glass gem cut rondelles in purple heather, 25 pieces. These are always fun to work with. And then, last for the strands, this is a 36-inch silk ribbon in blue violet. It's very pretty. There's a lot you can do with that. Okay, now, let me grab my little thing here. Getting on to the additional items, we have a 17mm check glass dragonfly and mauve travertine wash. One piece. Look how pretty that is. And it's the same on both sides. So cute. And next are 4x6mm tie hill silver tubes. And there's 8 pieces. Kind of like make a good spacer. They got a little design on them. Okay, and next is 17x20mm check glass sugar skulls. These are really cool. And these are purple opal pink wash or blue pink wash. 2 pieces. These are purple opal. These are really pretty. So cool. I love sugar skulls. And next we have 5x7mm check glass bell flowers. And they're purple with copper wash, and there's 10 pieces. Yeah, you could see the copper in there. I'm not sure if you could see it in the video or not. But yeah, you could see that little copper wash. It's very small. It's not a deep one. It's just, you could just see hints of it. And next are 9x20mm check glass drops in garnet with bronze. These are pretty. These are great for earrings or like a pendant. They're perfect for that. Okay, and next is a 14mm check glass button bead, white with deep pink wash. They look kind of light pink. There's 2 pieces of there. I guess they are white. They got little spots of pink on them though, so. Very pretty. Here's the other side. These are always fun to work with. Okay. And next is 10mm check glass sunset flowers in dark pink. I think these are called hibiscus flowers too, if I'm not mistaken. And they're the same on both sides. They're still pretty. And this is different. 19mm Swarovski, I cannot say that word, 5525 wave bead, crystal antique pink. Swarovski. I'm one of those people, I can't say certain words. So that's really cool. It's got that little curve to it. Huh. This would be interesting to work with. So it's got a cool little space shape to it. And next is 15 by 17 millimeter tiara cast heart leaf antique pewter, 1 piece. So it's, this side's a little more concave than the other one. And then that's the other side, but I would think you would use that side. That's very pretty. And then we have, wait a minute. Okay, 15 millimeter or 20 millimeter check glass vintage button in bronze. Okay, this is really cool. Kind of hold it up like that so you can see it. Oh, it's really pretty. Okay, and then next we have a 12 by 14 millimeter check glass butterfly, purple AB or crystal 2ABX. I think this is purple AB. Oh, look at that. So that's one side. That's the other. So they both have that really cool finish on one. Oh, very pretty. And last but not least, 30 millimeter 5-point tabular resin stars in mixed colors too. And there are 6 pieces here. So here we have these. So these are cool. One of each. So this is a really pretty box this month. I love all these purples. Oh, very pretty. Love me some purple. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and definitely stay tuned. I will be doing a tutorial or two using this box. And like I said, I have a coupon code BNJewelry2 for $2 off your first box with them. All the information is in the description, along with my Etsy, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest if you'd like to follow me on there. And I hope you enjoyed this. I love doing unboxings for everybody. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell and give this one a thumbs up. It really helps my algorithms. And I will see you on my next video. You have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.